Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. This is a pre-recorded episode. It's actually Thursday before the Monday that this is going to air, so it's only a few days early. We're going to get over here. I'm actually off for a week, so we had to come down here and check out what's going on the production floor. Come on down here. Let's take a look. It's break time right now at the mothership on a beautiful Thursday. As you can see, it's a really nice day here in Coburg, Oregon at the mothership, also known as the world headquarters of Marathon Coach. We're going to go into 1393 as we pass 1394. We're actually going to go into this coach right here, 1393. This is really one of those coaches that I'm excited about because of that floor plan, and I love a good custom coach. 1393, a triple slide super bath. Let's go inside and take a look. I think we peeked in a couple of weeks ago, but let's take a look. Since then, the flooring has come to fruition here in the salon, and also cockpit taking place. The occasional table behind the driver with the fireplace insert, that's come up. But look at all the cabinetry in the galley moving into the Appliance Dream Center. Adds a really nice custom feature to the galley. It adds 3. I believe in this coach we're only putting 2 appliances in, but pre-plumbing it for a bunch. The flooring is also taking place in this coach. So just wanted to really come into 1393 today and check it out, see the progress. So here we are in the bedroom of 1393, and you guys know I love the super bath. This is one of the things that makes this floor plan so fantastic is the super bath, but the solid surface that's happening in here is really going to be nice. Another thing, you could see how we have the membrane there for the waterproofing of the shower. One of the things that makes the super bath so effective is the size of the shower. Now, you know there's going to be glass doors that cover here that with the push of a button it goes opaque and then back to clear. But the size of the shower that is in the super bath, and of course this will be glassed over, but I mean, with my size, and look at how much room is in this shower, you're not giving up anything in this coach by going with the super bath. There's a ton of room, not just in the shower, but look over here. That's where the washer and dryer is actually put in there. It can be a closet if you don't want washer dryer, but most of the people that go with a super bath, they appreciate having the full-size washer dryer, and it's of course behind what I call a hidden door, but it's behind the commode and it's behind a hidden door. And then also in the very back there you see a closet. Right now what you see is all of the TechLink system and wiring exposed, and it's, as we have talked about many times, it's like modern art. It's an organized Jackson Pollock, if you will, with all the colors and everything just bundled properly. Aircraft quality wiring in a Marathon coach. It's just really cool to see everything blown out like that. But that rear closet is also nice to have because you're going to have double vanity here. You've got the large shower, you've got the commode with behind the hidden wall either a closet, or in this coach in 1393, the double stacking Ascos, which is really cool to see. As it is, we're about a month and a half away from finishing this coach, maybe a little bit less. But here we are in the bedroom. As you see, the bed is articulated up, and you see how much room is really in this with both sides out, because this is a triple with 2 in the rear, 2 slide outs in the rear. And if you want to have the super bath, you got to have either a triple or a quad. Unless you go with the valid slide system, then you can have a double slide H and have the rear bath being the super bath. That's with the valid slides only, if you only go with a 2 slide. But in this coach 1393, we have a triple slide. 2 slides here in the bedroom, and of course 1 on the driver's side of the front of the coach. Half bath right here on the curb side or the patio side. Also on the patio side is the Appliance Dream Center and the full-size refrigerator freezer on the driver's side. And this has a really beautiful paint job, but once we wash it and get it outside and the coach is completed, then we'll be able to see the coach all together, interior and exterior. So that's what's going on in 1393. Let me take a look at this cockpit. Yeah, the dash has been installed, and they're going to be installing all the electronics to go with the dash. And of course, this is the new H3, so it has all the amenities that Marathon put in to the new cockpit. Everything from the heated and ventilated front seats to the new snack tray, the new infotainment center. The new infotainment center that you're going to have right here, if you haven't seen our videos, it's very innovative. It brings a lot of new amenities to the driver experience in the new H3. It's not just 1 or 2 or 10 innovative new things in the cockpit, but over 30. I mean, even this right here, this is an extra storage bin. There's nothing in it right now, but we stock it with a couple of umbrellas. So that's 1393. Thursday morning, break time just got over. This is going to air in a couple of days on Monday. So look for this coach. We're probably going to come in here a couple more times before it's completed. But 1393, triple slide H3. This is a good example of Marathon's power with the floor plan. It is going to be awesome. And 2 recliners over here with this occasional table, TV. This just it caught my eye. But you've got drawers down here. You could put a fireplace here, but boom. We opted to put it over here behind in the cabinet behind the driver. And it's going to have, of course, the TV that pops up over here so that people watching on that side of the coach or the driver's side of the coach can watch the TV, and the people that are over here sitting in these recliners, they can watch the TV that comes down from the cockpit. So yeah, 1393, you guys. Be yourself and do good things. Have a good week. I'm out for the next couple of Mondays, but I've got a couple of pre-records, including this one. So MalW, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. You know a salesman is always working, so reach out to me. And let's get you into a new coach, a pre-owned coach, or if you have a coach and you're looking to sell, I'm your guy. Take care. I'll see you soon.